Unlike the action section, where the action determines a list of options tied directly to that specific action, the when section is tied to a specific object. This difference gives you flexibility. You can select an object on the slide or from the timeline, and Storyline will automatically pre-populate the object field with your selection. That doesn't mean you have to select the object first. If you open the trigger wizard before selecting anything, you can still open a drop-down menu and choose the object from there. As you can see, the menu displays not only all of the objects assigned to the slide, but also the player's next and previous buttons. If the slide includes layers, you'll also see the objects assigned to each layer listed as well. The When section of the Trigger Wizard is divided into 5 categories: mouse events, object events, control events, timeline events, and drag and drop events. Mouse events occur when the learner performs an action with their mouse, or a similar action, like a tap or swipe, on a mobile device. Object events are triggered by what an object does, with no learner action required. Control events happen behind the scenes. The learner may have interacted with the course, but their action isn't necessarily what caused the trigger to fire. Timeline events are based purely on time. When the timeline reaches a specific point, Storyline performs the assigned action. And finally, drag and drop events activate when the learner moves an object from one spot on the slide to another. It's also worth noting that some of these event types can overlap on more complex slides. For example, a drag and drop event might also trigger an object event. So as you build, always double-check which event type your trigger depends on. It'll help you avoid unexpected behavior and keep your course running smoothly.